ಹಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂಜಲಿ ಬಲ್ರಾಮ್. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟಾಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವುದು ಎ ಬಿಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದು, ಹೂ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಟಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ tortious liability arises from the breach of duty primarily fixed by law. This duty is towards persons generally, and its breach is redressal by an action for unliquidated damages. Option A, Linesell. Option B, Pollack. Option C, Salmond. Option D, Winefield. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ವೈನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ವೈನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ವೈನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. Next, fifth question. Gloucester German school case related to which of the following important maxims? Option A, Damen sign injuria. Option B, injuria sin damen. Option C, ubi jus ubi remedium. Option D, violenti non fit injuria. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, Damen sign injuria. Because Damen sign injuria refers to the damage without infringement or violation or a breach of legal rights of the plaintiff is not actionable anta. In this case, plaintiff was running a school, and in the neighborhood, defendant also set up a school for children. Plaintiff had to reduce the tuition fees of children since they were leaving the school of plaintiff and joining the school of defendant. It was held that even though the plaintiff has suffered substantial loss due to rival school, but plaintiff had no cause of action against the defendant on the ground of that bona fide competition cannot offer ground for action, whatever damage it has caused to plaintiff. Sixth question. Which of the following provisions of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 relates to no fault liability? Option A, section 140. Option B, section 151. Option C, section 162. Option D, section 128. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 140. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 140 ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೀಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಲೈಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಡೆತ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆದರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅವರು ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 140, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. Next, question number 7. How many consumer rights are identified under the Consumer Protection Act 2019? Option A, 2. Option B, 4. Option C, 6. And option D, 8. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, 6. There are 6 consumer rights defined under Section 2, Clause 9 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. Eighth question. Which of the following body constituted under the Consumer Protection Act 2019 is authorized to render advice on promotion and protection of consumers' rights under the Act? So option A, Central Consumer Protection Authority. Option B, Central Consumer Protection Council. Option C, State Consumer Protection Authority. Option D, State Consumer Protection Council. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, Central Consumer Protection Council. Next question. Suppose road accident occurs. When being an advocate, what is the correct way approaching the situation? Option A, FIR, petition, summon to insurance company. Option B, petition, FIR, summons to insurance company. Option C, summon to insurance company, petition and then FIR. Option D, FIR, summons to insurance company and then petition. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, FIR, ಪಿಟಿಷನ್, ಸಮ್ಮನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು FIRನ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 166 ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 1988 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯುನಲ್, and then make insurance company as one of the defendant to the petition, then send summons to insurance company. Next question. Gloucester Grammar School case is a landmark case based on which of the following maxim? Option A, Damen sign injuria. Option B, injuria sign damen. Option C, violent non-fit injuria. Option D, audi altrum partum. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, Damen sign injuria. It means where there is a damage caused without causing any legal injury. Next question. The National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission under Consumer Protection Act 2019 shall have the jurisdiction to complaints where the value of the goods or services paid as considered exceeds option A, 1 crore, option B, 10 crores, option C, 50 crores, option D, 100 crores. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ 10 crores. According to Section 58, Clause 1A of Consumer Protection Act 2019, the National Commission shall have jurisdiction to entertain complaints where the value of the goods and services paid as consideration exceeds rupees 10 crore. Next question. Under Section 41 of Consumer Protection Act 2019, an appeal from the order of District Commission lies to dash. Option A State Commission, Option B Consumer Tribunal, Option C National Commission, Option D High Court. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್. Section 140 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019 states that any person aggrieved by an order made by the District Commission, it can go to the appeal to the State Commission. Next question. The National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission was constituted in the year option A 1988, option B 1998, option C 1999, option D 1997. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 1988 under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Next question. What is the limitation period applicable to the three forum in entertaining a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act 1986? Option A 3 years from the date on which the cause of action has arisen. Option B 5 years from the date on which the cause of action has arisen. Option C 4 years from the date on which the cause of action has arisen. Option D 2 years from the date on which the cause of action has arisen. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 2 years from the date on which the cause of action has arisen. Section 24A of the Consumer Protection Act 1986 mentioned that the District Forum and the State Commission or the National Commission shall not admit a complaint unless it is filed within 2 years from the date on which of the cause of action has arisen. Next question. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 come into effect on option A 24th August 1986, option B 15th April 1986, option C 24th May 1986, option D 24th December 1986. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 24th December 1986. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 which come into effect on 24th December 1986. Next question. Which one of the following sections of Consumer Protection Act 1986 defines the term consumer? Option A Section 2 Clause 1 Clause A, Option B Section 2 Clause 1 Clause B, Option C Section 2 Clause 1 Clause C, Option D Section 2 Clause 1 Clause D. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ Section 2 Clause 1 Clause D. Section 2 Clause 1 Clause D of the Consumer Protection Act 1986 defines the term consumer. Next question. Section 67 of Motor Vehicles Act 1988 provides option A possession of driving license while driving, option B possession of insurance certificate and PUC certificate in the vehicle, option C revoking driving license if drunk driving is detected, option D state government's power to control the road transport. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. Section 67 of Motor Vehicles Act 1988 deals with the power of state government to control road transport. Next question. The term tort is a option A Latin word, option B French word, option C English word, option D Italian word. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ French word. The term tort is a French word which is derived from a Latin word tortum, which means twisted. Next question. In tort, what is vicarious liability? Option A person is generally liable for his own wrongful act. Option B a person is liable for the wrongful act done by other person. Option C a person is liable for the wrongful act in his absence. Option D none of the above. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ a person is liable for the wrongful act done by other person. Vicarious liability refers to a situation where a person is liable for the wrongful act done by another person. Next question. Under Section 2 Clause 1 Clause F of Consumer Protection Act 1986, defect is meant by any fault, imperfection or shortcoming in dash in a relation to the goods. Option A quality and quantity, option B potency, option C purity or standards, option D all of the above. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಬೋ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Next question. Vicarious liability includes option A. Liability of the principals of the torts of his agent. Option B. Liability of the masters for the tort of his servant. Option C. Liability of the partners for each other's tort. Option D. All of the above. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಬೋ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ವೆಕೇರಿಯಸ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಬೋ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೋಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು AIBE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.